What's up, everybody? I am Larry, and this is my boy Drew. Yes, he is a guy. Obviously, a lot of people ask us at Flawless, can men use the Flawless products? And yes, you two fellas can be flawless with Flawless by GU products. And we're gonna start off with Drew here. Okay, bro, so you always complain about your hair being tangled.
Yeah.
So I got something for you. We have our hydrating, detangling shampoo infused with Brazilian curry butter, rice oil complex, and shea butter. Next, we're gonna bless you with the 3-minute restoring conditioner. So how's it feel? How was it for you?
Feels good and smells good.
Yeah? Let's get you out the door. We're gonna start off with using some of our detangling leave-in conditioner, just to make sure, detangled. To make sure your curls stay popping throughout the day, we're gonna use some of our Flawless Curl Defining Cream. And now we are ready to diffuse. Boom. Your curls are officially popping right now, right?
Yeah.
So I want to get them to be a bit more shiny, and what I'm gonna do is add a few drops of our exotic oil drops by Flawless. You ready for your reveal?
Yeah.
Let's see what we've been doing this whole time. Bam!
Okay. Curls on 100. I like it.
Yeah? Fellas, yes, you too can be flawless like my boy Drew. You guys and ladies, make sure you follow us at Flawless by Gabrielle Union's Instagram page, at Flawless by GU. And we're gonna be hitting you over the head with lots of tutorials and tips. Stay tuned, I'll see you guys soon.